Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IELTS Speaking with Ashish. The 49 rupees ebook offer is still going on. All you guys need to do is purchase the ebook from the Amazon, send me the order details. Then we are going to have session. I will help you in cue cards and other part of speaking. And if you do not like the session, just cancel the order and Amazon will refund you their money. The link is mentioned in the description. Now, this video is regarding follow-up questions of fishing area, and I will try to give simple answers so that you get idea and you can use that idea in your own speaking. So the first question is, why do so many people like going to places with water such as lakes or ocean? Many people like to go to these such places because they find it very rejuvenating. It helps them to break the monotony of their life. Moreover, there are many water activities which can be done on such places. That is why people like going to these places. I am going to try to give as simple answer as I can so you can understand it well. Next, do you think children and older people do the same type of things when they go to beach? In my opinion, children and elderly do different type of things. Children like to play on the beach. They like to make sand castles. They also like to catch crabs. These activities are very common among children, whereas elderly mostly like to sit and relax there so they can enjoy the atmosphere and ambience of that place. They do not like to do any other activity. Next, do you think human activities are posing a threat to the world's oceans? Yes, human activities are causing a lot of threat and lot of pain to the oceans because human beings are dumping their garbage and other plastic waste in the oceans, which has caused havoc in marine world, and many fishes and other marine species are eating it and it is destroying their habitat, and as a consequence it is also affecting human beings. So this human activities are posing a threat to world's ocean. Next, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a vacation at a seaside? Every coin has two sides, so this also has some advantages and one disadvantage. The main advantage is that it breaks the monotony of human beings. When people travel to these places, they feel peace of mind, they refreshes themselves, they do many water activities like boat riding, river rafting, which gives them a lot of new experiences and adrenaline rush. The main disadvantages of this is that it is a dangerous activity, especially can any fatality or any disaster can take place at any point of time, so proper precautions should have to be taken care while going to seaside. I don't think so there is any other disadvantage of this activity. Next, do you think it is essential for children to learn how to swim? Yes, in my opinion, it is very essential because swimming is a very good activity which keeps the body and mind fit. It is a 100% exercise which is very good for human body. Moreover, in my opinion, many children in their adult life go to places where there is water. So if they know how to swim, it will help them to enjoy that activity at its best, and it will also prevent them from any disaster that can take place, because people drowning is a very common news. So if the person have knowledge about swimming, it will be very helpful for them. Next, do you think it is essential to learn about the oceans and why? Yes, it is important to learn about the oceans because if we have knowledge about oceans, then only we will not do those activities which harm the oceans. Because if we are unaware, we will destroy oceans because we have this capability of destroying anything. But also, if a person who wants to make a career in this field, that person need to have in-depth knowledge about this topic so they can research on it. A normal person should have basic knowledge, and a person who want to be scholar should have deep knowledge about the oceans. Next, do you think the oceans should be protected by international agreement? Yes, oceans should be protected because 70% of area on our earth is land. Oceans are very important to us. So international agreement is required because many countries share the oceans, and also oceans are used for import and export business. Many trade facilities happen because of the ocean. So international agreement is required, otherwise trade between two countries or many other countries will hamper and it will create a lot of issues for the countries. I hope you like this video. Thank you.